Simply pour toilet paper under running. Water and pause before judging what you're seeing. It looks harmless, almost pointless. But this quiet trick has been used behind the scenes in luxury hotels for years. Start by taking a full roll of toilet paper and holding it under steady running water. Rotate it slowly so the water soaks every layer evenly. Don't rush this. The goal is to soften the paper all the way through without tearing it. When it's fully saturated, gently slide out the cardboard tube from the center. Take your time here so the roll keeps its shape. Once it's cool enough to handle, press the roll lightly with both hands to remove excess water. You want it damp, soft, and flexible, not dripping. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone's watching from. Now begin tearing the paper into smaller pieces. The texture should feel fluffy and delicate, almost like cotton. This step matters more than people realize. The way the paper absorbs and releases what comes next depends on this softness. It may feel strange, but keep going. Grab a plastic container or jar with a lid. Place a thin layer of the damp paper at the bottom, spreading it gently with your fingers. Don't compress it too much. Once you try this, you'll understand why people who know never go back. Simple steps, ordinary items, unexpected results. Now add 1 full cap of fabric softener over the paper. Choose a scent you genuinely enjoy because this aroma will slowly fill the space for days. Pour it evenly and let the paper absorb it naturally. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. Next, sprinkle a small handful of coarse salt over the surface. Spread it evenly so it touches the paper across the entire container. Salt plays a quiet but powerful role here. It stabilizes moisture, preserves freshness, and helps regulate how everything behaves over time. At this point, the scent is already noticeable, but we're not done yet. Cover the container tightly with aluminum foil. Press the edges firmly so it seals well. Using a toothpick, poke several small holes across the top. These tiny openings control the release, allowing everything inside to work slowly and consistently instead of all at once. Now comes the reveal. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. Place this container in a bathroom, closet, laundry area, or any space that tends to feel heavy or closed. Within hours, the air begins to change. The scent feels clean, balanced, and natural, never overpowering. What you've created quietly refreshes the space, absorbs moisture, and keeps the environment comfortable without sprays or chemicals. This setup lasts for weeks. The paper diffuses, the salt regulates, and the fragrance remains steady. Make more than one and place them around your home for a consistent effect. Try it once and you'll feel the difference almost immediately. You